This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about burger boxes, specifically these Ripple Wall burger boxes. There are two options, either the craft or the black, and they're a nice generous size. The boxes are 4 by 4 with a 3 1/4 inch depth, and you can see they have a nice flared out design to really accommodate generous sized sandwiches. The durable containers feature this great ripple wall design for extra strength and a little bit of added style. The single piece design features tab closures over here on the sides that you can see easily lock into place when you shut those boxes and keep those lids securely closed, making them a nice, easy, quick way to pack up sandwiches. They're made of premium paper that is recyclable, making them an eco-friendly alternative to foam containers. These are great for burgers, chicken and fish sandwiches, pulled pork barbecue sandwiches, patty melts, and breakfast sandwiches. They're a perfect upscale option for takeout from restaurants, burger joints, barbecue places, food trucks, and more, whether that's eat in, takeout, or delivery.